So in this lesson I will explain how to make a fit on some data. So the data I will load are contained into this folder here, and I want to load 4 files starting from that file here. So I'll select 4 files here, and that's probably maybe the ninth file of the list. No, it's the 10th file of the list. Alright, so this is selecting 4 files together. So there is a number of columns in all those files, and we will be applying fits on those data. Here you see that data looks like this. We've got those 4 files here. The column names are here, and let's put the point size a little larger so that we can see. Okay, so these are the data. So I know that for those data I would like to apply a fit. So the fit function will be displayed. Let's say we will be fitting the bin center on X and the relative frequency count on Y. So I just display them, and then I will be choosing the function fitting here, and then I have to select what function I'd like to fit for those data. So there is a large number of those. Each time there is a name that defines the function, and you can see the function by clicking on it, and this displays here. So constant, alright, it's easy, it's just y of x is a. Then we've got linear fit a plus bx, and so on. So each time the equation contains some adjustable parameters. So there is from a, b, c, and d. And whether there is 1, for example, in this example here, you see the 1 in bracket. And if there is another function 2, there is a and b in this function here, and there is a number 2 right here. So each time you have an indication here on how many parameters there is on the function. So here in this example, that looks like a Lognormal curve, and it is normalized, so we can use this one. You see the function is here. We have a 1, which means it's normalized. If we wanted to fit a Lognormal function that would contain some scaling parameter, we would choose this one. Let's just choose the Lognormal normalized. And so we have 2 parameters to fit, so a and b. So it's always in this order here, a, b, c, and d. These are initial values for the adjustable parameter. Most of the time you don't have to change this. 1 is a good initial value for most of the time, and you can judge by yourself whether you sometimes need to choose a more appropriate value for certain function. So that's really all there is, choosing fitting and what function you want, and you just select update, and so it applies the fit to all the function, to all the datasets, sorry. And the values of the parameter, they are displayed here for file 1, 2, 3, and 4 for the A, and with an error associated to this fit. And for the coefficient B, it's written here. We've got nothing for C and D because there is no C and D in this function. So that's basically all there is to apply a fit. Choosing the fitting here and choosing the function that you want.